Is this a tricky build? I mean, is this something that you're not encountering too often, or is this just
No,
normal? Okay, good.
I've seen worse.
Hey, I'm David, America's Home Place. I was out here today meeting with a customer over their site meeting. Today's plan was to meet with a customer, talk about his utilities, talk about the side of the house, talk about his vision of what he was expecting of the home, so we can get a better idea of how to give him the kind of home that he was looking for in the end. Stages in the house is in now is just starting the preliminary process of the site meeting, getting the permits, getting the first stage of clearing the grounds, clearing the trees out, and getting the house processed for the grading, so we can start the footings and the block work. If you have any more questions, visit us at americashomeplace.com.